It's dangling. Oh. Look at that. Domino's pizza, thin crust. I think meat lover. Yeah. Yep. Also got Dr. Pepper. You already know. Got some ranch. You already know. In here. The thin crust. So I'm still at the hotel. It's dangling. Oh. So I'm still at the hotel. Let me finish. No, I'm still at the hotel. Supposedly tonight is the one that's supposed to be really bad. I just came a day early because I don't want to risk it. I like thin crust, that crunch. Like orange Fanta, orange, just orange Coke. Big sausage. I didn't know if the power was gonna go bad or not. So that's why I just came early. And today's not that bad, so like let me order some warm food. Before it gets really bad, you know? Guys, I hope y'all stay safe. Much love from D-Fame. Love you guys.